Motion-based mold design is not about animation. It is about validating engineering decisions before steel cutting. This mold was developed for a high-precision consumer appliance component with extensive external undercuts. The mold is built in a 1-2 configuration using DME standards and a 3-plate hot, 2 cold runner system with direct pin point gating. Each cavity integrates 7 side actions together with 4 spring-assisted core pull mechanisms, requiring precise motion coordination throughout the entire mold opening sequence. Approximately half of the product's outer circumference contains continuous external undercuts. The rear mold uses 6 large side actions together with 4 stripper plate driven mini side actions to release the extensive external undercuts while maintaining a compact mechanism layout. Because this is a 3-plate mold, the opening sequence is divided into 3 controlled stages. First, the front side actions retract, and the runner system is released. Next, the A and B plates separate while the 6 large rear side actions complete the primary core pull. Finally, the stripper plate drives the 6 mini side actions before the ejector system releases the finished parts. Each front insert includes dedicated machining datum surfaces for the angular side action pockets. These datum references improve machining accuracy, simplify assembly fitting, reduce maintenance time, and improve long-term mold stability. Engineering is not only about designing complex mechanisms, it is also about making every component easier to manufacture, assemble, maintain, and operate reliably. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo.